Hey guys, today we're making a video on a step-by-step process on how to make pack bait to catch catfish and carp.
The bait we will be making today is to be put on a method feeder. A method feeder is a feeder that's put on your line and it attracts the fish. The fish will then bite the cord on your hook.
So these are the ingredients required for making the pack bait. So first off we have old-fashioned oats. Next is strawberry jello. And then finally we have cream corn. We recommend putting it in a bucket to mix all the ingredients together at the end.
First, you pour about 20 ounces of old-fashioned oats into the bucket. Do like half of this. Next, about 3 ounces of strawberry jello. I usually mix the dry ingredients first.
There we go, okay.
Get the thing on me. Third step, now you dump the cream corn in. Finally, mix. I gotta wash my hand.
So that was a step-by-step process on how to make pack bait which catches carp and catfish all year round.